The goal of this example is to show you how to graph a function using technology and find some of the key features of it. So for the function k, defined by k of x equal to 15 times the quantity x plus 10 squared minus 19, use technology to determine the following, and we're going to round our answers as necessary. Okay, so this is a quadratic, and we're being asked to find the intercepts and the vertex and the domain and the range of this parabola. Okay, so let's, since it's saying use technology, let's do that. I'm going to go to Desmos, and I'm going to enter k of x equal to 15 times the quantity x plus 10 all squared minus 19. Okay, so we see that we see some of the graph there, but we don't see all of it because we know it's a parabola. It has a vertex point. Looks like probably a couple of x-intercepts here. So I'm going to use the zoom features for the moment. You can use your fingers as well, but I'm just going to zoom out on it. And even in this window, I can see the vertex and I can see the x-intercepts. I can't see the y-intercepts, so I'm going to adjust it a little bit so that that's the case. Okay, so just using my fingers here, I have created a window where I can see all of the intercepts, the x-intercepts and the y-intercept, and I'm just going to click on them. Notice how when I click on them, the key features that is, it tells me what they are. A really great, easy, very easy tool to use and very dynamic, okay? All right, so the intercepts are negative 11.1250, negative 8.8750, right? Those are the x-intercepts. And then the y-intercept is 1,481, right? And then the vertex is also given, that minimum point down there, which is negative 10, negative 19. Now, a fun fact about the vertex. This quadratic was given in what we call vertex form. So you notice the 15 times x plus 10's quantity squared minus 19. So negative 10, negative 19 is the vertex of the parabola when it's in that form. Okay, well that's a fun fact. All right, now the domain. It doesn't matter what we put in here for x, we'll always get a real number output for y, right? There are no variables in a denominator or under a square root. So the domain is all real numbers, negative infinity to infinity. And the range, what is the lowest y value? Well, the vertex is negative 10, negative 19. So negative 19 is the lowest y value. So we have values of y from negative 19 to positive infinity, right?